Big Slick here today with a Corvette repair. The typical problem is you have a heater blower motor that will not turn off even if you take the key out of the ignition. The culprit is a bad blower control module. It's also called a blower control resistor. And if you look underneath your hood, this is a 1993 Corvette. If you go on the passenger side, you will see that the module is right here. This should give you an idea where it's at. It attaches in there with 3 screws. I already pulled this one out. You can see the 3 screw holes as I rotate this around. You simply pull this out, and as you will see, there's a heat sink attached to it, and the control module is inside of here. On vehicles that do not have automatic temperature control, you will actually see 3 or 4 little resistor coils hanging off of that. But they did away with those with the automatic control, and I think there were also some safety issues with the old system. So now it's more of a solid state module with a heat sink. And you can either pay around $60 to $100 for one that's sold for Corvettes, or you can be smart and buy this, which is for a 1993 Jeep Grand Cherokee with automatic temperature control. As you see, it is the exact same part. And this part runs you $25 to $30. At most it's $40, but you don't need to pay $40. So you can be smart, save yourself money, get a brand new one for a 1993 Jeep Cherokee with automatic temperature control. In other words, take a look at the picture. It should look identical. And if it looks identical, it is identical. You just pop this in. There's 2 plugs that you'll be removing and then reinserting, 3 screws, and honestly this is a 5-minute repair. Here it is, a picture of it reassembled. It only took a couple minutes to put it back together. 3 screws, 2 plugs to pop back in, and you're golden. This should solve almost anyone's problem where the blower motor continues to run with the ignition off and even with the key out. Thanks a lot. Hope this saved you some money. There again, like I say, take a look for a 1993 Jeep Grand Cherokee with automatic temperature control. Look for the blower control module. May also be called a blower resistor. Just make sure you buy the one that looks identical and has the heat sink on it. Thanks. Bye.